So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the amount of garage spots a house has, that filter here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, type in your location. I'll use Seattle for this video, and then press on search. So let's say you have a lot of cars. For example, you have 4+ cars. You want at least a 4+ garage home. Well, it's super simple. Go to the top here to where it says filters, then just scroll down to where it says home features right here. Now, under garage spots, go ahead and make sure that 4+ is selected so that any house that you're looking for has at least 4+ garage spots. Go to the bottom right, press on see homes right here. Now, what you can do is view listings right here that offer, in this case, 4+ garages. But you can go ahead and change the filter to whatever you want. So if you only have, one car, any cars, whatever the case may be, you can go ahead and play around with it this way. 5+ is pretty rare. You can go ahead and press on see homes this way and just view your search in this regard. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find, or I guess how to edit the amount of garage spots filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.